Hi guys, it's Dom from City Warmth in Brighton, and in today's video we're going to talk to you about how to reduce the pressure in your boiler and central heating system if it's got too high in both a safe, controlled and mess-free manner.
Right, where's that radiator bleed key? Is it in my man box? I know I put it somewhere after I purchased it from Screwfix. Is it in here? Is it in here? No, you know what? I remember where it is. I put it on top of the boiler. The one place that I know I wouldn't lose it or move it, and the one place it will be when I need it the most, on the boiler. Good idea to put it there.
Alright, so your boiler pressure's too high. Let's not come up with stories and excuses as to why it got there. It's there and we need to reduce it. What you're going to want, the bleed key that you went and found. Good job team, the life skill we learnt in the other video.
You're going to need those muscles again. Did you have your Weetabix?
The towel or the tissue that we also had in the other video. Bleeding radiators, you get water in a few places. We're going to want it around to mop up the carpet or to stop it getting there in the first place. And then any tub or container you can find. Plastic bin, saucepan, doesn't need to be any plumbing gear, just something that is lying around the house. We are going to want to put our bleed key in our bleed point in the radiator. On the bleed point there will be a small little nozzle somewhere that the water will come out of. Maybe a little hole underneath, maybe one on the side. Find that little hole and try and direction it if you can towards the saucepan or the container, or put the container where that's going to shoot out. Get your container ready, open the bleed point, open it to the point where water will start to trickle out, and then when you're there you're just going to want to leave it there probably for a good 30 seconds or so, and then go and have a look at the boiler pressure, see where it is, and rinse and repeat. Keep doing this until the boiler pressure is where it should be. Woo! Okay. So that took me about 5 or 6 minutes to drain down the system pressure to the correct level, but we've done it. Mess-free, safe, secure. We haven't had to call out a heating engineer. You guys are on your ways to becoming heating engineers, so good job. Next thing to do, wash up this saucepan and enjoy what you've just achieved. Good job.
For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.